Okay, so now I got my millimeter gauge. And what you want to do is go around and check the width. It's at like 8.4 there, 8.4 there, but the problem is in the area that I fixed it, I took it down. I can see that it's visually narrower right there. And if this was a customer's job, I'd be fired. But since I'm just making something for myself, you know, I'll just file down the rest of this on both sides and make it equal this. This is what happens when you're trying to make videos. But anyways, we're going to move past that. So the next thing you want to do is I've cut this using something like this. I can cut this. This allows me to hang this on here and use the bench pin for filing this part. And I'm going to use the same files. I've got the number 0 flat. So I'm going to hang it on here. And you want to take long strokes. That will prevent you from creating flat spots. And you want to turn it as you're working on it. And you want to use the bench pin to place your file against, and that's why this edge has no cutting area on it. You can slide it nicely against your bench pin. And at the same time, you can look at the side of the ring to make sure you're not over filing a certain section. And so the big thing, of course, is the big sprue area. And if I had a Mizzy wheel, I would grind that down. Since I don't, I'm going to be stuck spending some extra time filing this, or if I had a brand new one of these bigger files, I could take it down really quick, but I'll have to get another one of those. So that is your next step. So I'm not going to bore you with going through the whole thing. I'll get everything finished up, and once we do that, then we'll move on to, this is not a good one, but we'll move on to using emery boards, which will be your next step. And I would start with 220 emery and then move to 400 and even 600 for sterling silver. Beyond that, you don't really need to go any farther, but anyways, that's it. Thanks, everybody.